Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I'm here at Target to do two great deals for you guys today. I'm running in here. We're just going to do two real quick deals. All you need to do is download your Target app as well as your Ibotta app. There's no paper coupons needed. Just have an open mind, get ready to take some screenshots, and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so before we get started, as always, you know what I need you to do. I need you to give me some thumbs up. I need you to like this video, and I need you to comment below if you plan on going out to do these deals. If you already did the deals, let me know how it went. And if you guys have not downloaded the Target app, please do so. The Target app gives you a whole bunch of extra percentage off products, as well as manufacturer coupons and coupons that are no longer available in the inserts or have expired already. That way, that will lower your out-of-pocket. So before we get started, I also need you guys to subscribe to my video, to my channel. It is absolutely free to do so, and hit that bell right next to that subscription button. That way you'll always get notified whenever I put up a new video. Okay guys, so we're at our first deal, but as always, before we get started, please guys, go ahead and tweet this deal out to your friends, your families, message it out, text it out, send it out on Facebook, on Instagram, share with everyone, because we want to make sure that everyone is going to save. So okay guys, so we're at our first deal. Our first deal is on the Old Joy hand soap, and this hand soap is actually made by Soft Soap. If you haven't tried it, I love it. It moisturizes your hands as you wash it. It's very good and gentle on your hands. But guys, I had to move out of the aisle to do this deal because the music is blasting, and I wanted to make sure that you were able to hear me. But these soaps are regularly $3.99, but we do have a Target Circle offer where you can get 25% off. So make sure you go to Target Circle and clip that that savings and add that to your account. So that is a great deal, but what makes the deal even better is that when you purchase 4, you're going to get a $5 gift card. So whoa, that really brings the savings down. But guys, we're not done saving, because we have an even better deal to add on to it. So once you get those 4 and you get your $5 gift card, you're going to then submit this to Ibotta, and Ibotta is going to give you $1 back for each one of these. Now with Ibotta, you can actually purchase 5 because the limit's 5, but I'm only going to do 4 because I only need to get 4 in order to get the gift card. But by the time you take your 25% off minus your $5 gift card, these soaps are going to come down to about $1.05 per soap. That is excellent for some Old Joy hand soap, and I love it. So go ahead and grab those guys, and we'll move on to our next deal. Okay, so guys, our next deal is going to be on the Nivea Post Shave Balm. Now with this deal, I'm going to grab 3 of these, because when you grab 3, you get a $5 gift card. So I'm going to grab 2 of these and 1 of these. So that's going to bring my total to about $14.97. But guess what guys, there is an Ibotta rebate, and that Ibotta rebate is going to give you $3 back on each one of these. So we should pay about 97 cents at the end for each one. Great deal guys. Okay guys, so we're at our next deal, and this on the Nivea Moisturizing Post Shave Balms. Now these are purchase 3 and get a $5 gift card. They're at $4.99. Now I believe they are glitching guys, so I actually scanned these in the store. When you scan these 2 right here, they only attach to 1 rebate, but when you scan this one, it attaches to 2. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one to see if this will attach to 2 rebates and see if it glitches. So we will see in the end. Okay guys, so I'm back from the store. I couldn't finish the video in the store because it was just so loud with the music blaring, and I felt like I was like screaming into the mic, and I felt like I was competing with the music, and I didn't want this to be a video of just me yelling deals out. Then the kids were screaming and moms were yelling at the kids, and it was just a fiasco in Target. So I said, let me just buy everything, go home and make the video and show them the deal. So that's what we're doing, guys. So as you know, the first deal that I put in the cart was the Old Joy hand soap. And again, that is made by Soft Soap. It's a really nice soap, as I was explaining to you before. I like it because it really moisturizes your hands. So it's not like one of those soaps that you have to use lotion with after you wash your hands with the soap. So they have different designs, as you can see. So I got a couple different designs, and here is my receipt. So you can see they were $3.99, but you can see where I got the Target Circle offer of 25% off. So that took them down to $3.30 for a total of $3.20. We're not going to discuss tax. So when you purchase 4, you get a $5 gift card. So I did get a $5 gift card. And then I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got another $4 back. So if you take the $13.20 minus the $5 gift card minus the $4 that I got from Ibotta, then you will see that it came to a total of $4.20, which is $1.05 per soap. Pretty good for Old Joy hand soap, right? Okay, so let's go to our next deal. The next deal I did was with the Nivea. And the Nivea, I purchased 3 of them. They were $4.99 each. Here is my receipt. And the total was $14.97. And then if you minus the $5 from the gift card, because you get a gift card if you buy 3 plus the money from Ibotta, this ended up being a 48-cent money maker for me. Now let me explain to you how I got that. So when I submitted it to Ibotta, as you can see, this is the Ibotta rebate that I got. It was $3.20 for each of them. But then a second rebate attached, which was a 10-cent rebate for the Nivea. And then I got a Nivea bonus of 75 cents. So when you add all of the rebates up plus the $5 from the gift card, that comes to $15.45. And if you minus the $15 from $15.45 from what I paid, which was $14.97, that gives me a 48-cent moneymaker. So guys, go out and get your Nivea shave balms. You could put them in gift baskets. Father's Day is coming up. It's a great gift to give with some of the razors we've been getting on sale. So make sure you do that, and don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch also, so that you can get your couple points back from Fetch. Now the last deal that I wanted to do is on the Dove. The Dove isn't a deal that I planned on doing, but when I was walking down the aisle, I noticed that the Dove body washes as well as the Dove foam soaps had these dollar pillies on them. I was like, wow, let me get those, because I'm making Dove baskets. So I said, well, I might as well get them. Why they have the pillies on them? Because there's no Dove coupons that came out for me this week. And when I got to the register, rang everything up, I had 4 of them. Guess what? I got a $5 gift card. So as you can see, guys, I end up getting 3 $5 Target gift cards. The one I didn't expect to get from the Dove. So I took the pillies and used them for all 4 of the Dove. So here you can see what I got for the Dove. So they were $5.99. See, it's a little blurry. Each Dove was $5.99, and there was a $1 pilly for each of them. There, I guess you could see that a little better. So then my total was $19.96 with the pillies. They were $5.99 minus $1 for each. So that came to $19.96 for the Dove. But again, I got a $5 gift card, which took that down to $14.96. And then, of course, I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I got a couple more points. So, guys, this was my haul from Target this week. Not a whole lot of deals, but the Nivea deal is a great deal because it's a moneymaker. The soft soap, Old Joy hand soap, is a great deal. The Dove deal could be a little better, but if you need the body wash like I needed it, it's a great deal to do. And of course, you can roll your gift cards. I did separate transactions just to show you the receipts, and I could have rolled my gift cards each time, and that would have been less out of pocket for me that I actually paid at the register. But I was moving so fast and there was so much going on, I just decided to just pay for everything and go. But I do have $15 in gift cards that I can use for the future. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you go out and do the deals. Comment below. Let me know what your favorite deal is. Let me know if you plan on doing any of these deals, or if you've already done them, let me know how they turned out. And let me know what you plan on doing with them. Are you going to add this stuff to your stockpile? Are you going to resell it, re-gift it? Are you going to make baskets? Let me know some of the ideas that you have for some of these products. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because Nicole is making it happen. We're stretching that dollar a little bit longer. And until next time, keep on saving.